In today's video, we're going to be tackling the G35, which we haven't in a very, very long time. And it's going to be the start of the LS swap that we told you guys a couple videos ago.
Yes.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
What are we doing, man?
Pulling the motor.
Everything. Pulling the whole thing out. And the best way to do it is by taking out the radiator support and just pulling everything out from the front, because it's just gonna make things so much easier. So since we're gonna be test fitting the LS, we're gonna need the space and the room to do that. What's up, Germ?
I'll just work here.
You excited that it's actually like about to happen?
Getting a lot closer. It's actually happening sooner than we figured.
I know. This is
Couple
crazy.
sooner,
This is crazy, bro. Like first my car and then this thing. It's gonna be a couple weeks till I get to work on the E30 again, because every single part is ordered for that car, but everything is back ordered, including the Chase Base power steering kit, which blows because I actually really want to drive it.
Joke is, before COVID, everything was fine.
I know.
And no one ordered parts, and now
No one ordered parts and then COVID hit and everyone wants to buy parts. When we didn't upload a video, it wasn't because we wanted to. We literally were just waiting on parts and it sucks. At least we're gonna be doing some cool shit for you guys, so that's all that matters, right? What's going on, buddy?
you know, Martin's wiring his car. Whole thing. Whole LS swap.
Electrical tape does wonders. It's called electrical.
Everything's hardwired, so we have to like cut the headlight wiring out to pull the radiator support. Look how much easier it is now, Martin. That's why I recommended just pulling the whole thing out. We can literally pull the trans and motor just from the front.
That's a big motor, dude.
That is a big motor. And it's gonna be, the LS is gonna be a lot smaller, believe it or not. It's more compact, because instead of dual overhead cam, just right there.
No, it's the bottom of it. The lowest thing is the alternator one.
Who did you go with for the kit?
Was it LJ?
Yeah.
LJ kits.
And they make kits for these cars to swap in LS, and he's gonna be doing an LQ9, which is based on an LS, and it's iron block, so a lot stronger. So we're gonna be doing that route, and we're gonna be using Jeremiah's motor.
Yes. I'm selling my car. I'm over it.
No, he's gonna be building an even crazier car. Yeah, we haven't seen you in a long time. I missed you, bro.
Saw you guys
I missed
yesterday.
you.
No, you didn't.
Literally slept with you guys yesterday at work.
Headers on this is a pain in the ass. A lot of people recommend actually lifting the motor just to do them.
ISR makes LS headers into 350Zs and G35s, I think.
No, but we're doing a turbo.
Oh.
We have an Instagram called staticgarage parts, and we've been putting up a lot of things for sale. And a lot of people have been wondering why we're parting this car out, and we're not. We're just trying to get rid of things that we're not gonna need anymore, which unfortunately is a lot of stuff. Like the carbon fiber hood, we swapped it out and traded for a stock hood plus cash. We have the strut bar, which we're already probably gonna sell today. And we have a couple of other stuff that we have for sale. The trans is not for sale. We're keeping it, and we're also keeping the motor. So much ugly.
Why is
So
the
much better.
engine so tall?
It's big. It's a big motor.
It's a stupid looking motor.
Thank you. Agreed.
Pulling out the drive shaft.
For sale. Yeah. This is so light I can carry it with one hand. The amount of harness that this motor has is like disgusting. With the LS swap, since he's going with a standalone, it's gonna make things so much cleaner, because standalone only has few wires, to be honest with you, compared to this.
An hour in.
Yeah, an hour in and we're already ready to pull the motor. But Nick here has the chain in his truck.
Because we took your rod knocked out motor.
We just gotta figure it out. And by figuring it out, we gotta buy another chain.
We gotta go pick up a chain because somebody took it and they forgot to bring it.
Because we had to use it for someone else's motor.
Should I start it just once?
You're not down.
I'm down.
Do it.
Tell me.
Do it before we leave.
All right, I'll do it right now. It sounds so good. You could already smell it.
It sounds pretty good, dude. This seems to be crazy.
It's gonna be wild.
It's gonna be wild.
It's getting super common for Jeremiah to be on top of motors.
I don't like it.
I'm so proud of Martin. I'm proud of you. You're doing a great job.
So,
Yeah, just hook it in. There you go.
get back that wall. Back that wall. You better come out. Back up. Back up. Keep
Oh, you literally, I think we just jack it up like slightly more and open up. It'll clear the car stream right there.
I think it already clears. Pull it.
It's,
No, a little bit more.
No, yeah, jack it up.
A little bit more.
Oh, it's puking out.
Yeah, no, there's oil
It's been
everywhere.
tweaking the whole time.
That's a big trans.
Ah, that's a big motor.
Keep going. Right there.
There. Whew, man. It was only the hard line to the rack that made things difficult because we forgot to disconnect it.
No, Martin forgot.
Yeah, it was your car.
Yeah.
You didn't do your research. Anyways, Jesus, dude, this trans massive.
Yeah, carrying that over your head, good idea, Germ. You're gonna do that.
You're not chupapi muñeño this time, are you? How is this gonna fit
What?
on the... All right, so let's get the engine stand. Let's disconnect the bow housing bolts. Start taking things apart.
Who bought the tranny?
Who bought the tranny?
Yeah.
I did. But I'm not gonna tell you for what. It's so much space, I'm surprised that this took up all of it. If you had a 2JZ, it would just fit right in the middle with ease. So I think right now we could just start taking everything apart, from the AC lines, any harness that you don't need. And if you're telling me you can carry that trans without fucking up your back,
I don't think above this.
you're gonna bend the rack.
He's passing out.
Damn, it is bending the rack.
It looks like
Dude, let it stop bouncing.
Look at the middle. It's gonna be permanently just bent like that. That's permanent forever.
Pressure plate's gonna fall with it, so be careful.
Yeah, it's gonna be heavy.
The clutch plate's gonna fall. Told you it was gonna fall.
That's it.
Still good.
No, it's not.
This thing's worn out.
White in oil.
That's done.
It's not bad for how much you abuse it, though. Definitely not bad.
Slowly. Full send. Full send.
Bitch.
It's gonna be taking up most of the
Hey.
spot.
Who's down to put cams in it?
That would be dope.
Tommy,
Hey.
272.
Yeah,
Is
yeah,
everyone
272.
272.
Is everyone down for it?
Yeah.
I'm down.
Do they sound good?
Yeah.
No, dude, they sound insane.
They do?
Yeah.
So we're all down.
We'll go on YouTube in a bit.
Nice torque out.
This is the biggest one we've had here.
All right, I got an idea. I think if we're talking chronological order on when things are gonna get done, I think it's gonna be the battle between this one and the VQ, because we're gonna be doing a project with that. But with this one, it's gonna go on the IS.
Goodness. No wonder. No, don't touch it. Who touched it?
Let me check out that toe, bro.
No,
Let me check out that toe you just
no.
broke. What'd you do?
I was a dumbass. After all the shit I do, I get fucked up by
Or a creeper.
yeah. Everything I've done.
The G35 is back in its natural habitat. We have the E30 back in. We have those motors just literally stacked in there, which is crazy. And we're organizing while Nick is doing an oil change. So we have a couple of things for sale. We have these Bride seats. Hopefully they don't sell right away, so you guys can get a chance to get them. Some Bride brackets for G35. We have a Cusco strut bar, oil catch can, shifter, a couple of other things we're gonna be putting up. So if you guys want any, make sure to follow Static Garage Parts, and you guys will get the dibs on everything.
It's pretty creepy. It looks crazy with everything off.
Like a shell, just an empty shell. Oh, you're about to drop the bumper. What we're gonna have to start doing is removing all the AC lines,
Yeah.
power steering lines, everything, and just try cleaning everything up as much as we can.
And it's not even that dirty. It never leaked oil.
No,
As you can tell, oh, they seen
except for like the leaks that we
Oh, yeah.
caused. But other than that, no.
Nah.
It's a pretty big engine bay, so we can fit the LS.
All right, check it out. Ready?
We've already got the E30 running. Pull VQ, 11%. That's Stephanie's brand. So make sure to check her out on Instagram. I'm plugging her right now. Make sure to check it out. It's awesome. And the next thing we're going to be doing is pulling the LS out of Jeremiah's car. We've never touched his car, so it's kind of nerve-wracking. So we're just going to be his little bitches for the day.
It's not even
And
that
then
bad.
we also have LS 430 tails, which we're not going to tell them what we're doing, but it's going to be pretty exciting. So that'll probably be the next video. And I want to erase this, but Stephanie drew it and it's kind of funny, so gotta leave it, right? the next time we see the G, we're gonna be test fitting the LS.
Well, his shit might come
Bro,
this week.
bro,
It's fine.
why? Why? On both
Because-
sides?
Hey,
On both sides?
Hey, my car looks good.
We're gonna be test fitting probably within the next 3 weeks. So I think around the time we test fit is around the time we're gonna be driving the E30. So
Depends when I get the motor mount.
yeah.
The swap.
So we're just waiting on it. Either way, if it takes 2 weeks to get here, that's gonna be fine. And we still have parts waiting for the LS430. I'm not even joking. We have so many parts for each of our cars that are back ordered, and it's so annoying. We're still gonna have to slam the LS430, waiting parts on that, doing tail lights, waiting on a power steering kit for my car. Martin's waiting on a whole LS swap kit for his car. It's just a bunch of stuff, and it's all a waiting game. So bear with us if we don't upload every week. It's not our fault. We're literally just waiting for parts, and that's what sucks.
We told them we're waiting for special parts for the LS.
Yeah, we're slamming it.
Yeah, put a special color.
Very special.
Still waiting.
Gonna
They
make
told me
fun.
another
I'm
3
gonna
weeks.
I'm gonna make fun of you in the video, but it's fine.
It's a beautiful thing. So it told me another 3 weeks after a full month of waiting. So we're looking about another 2.5 more weeks.
Oh, so they gave you an estimate time. That's
They said
good.
about. So I'm looking about another month.
But I guess this is where we're gonna be leaving off. So on that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you guys on the next one.